Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packer and movers Nigdi Pune. Easy packers and movers have been in moving and shifting service for years in Nigdi Pune and all over India. We highly value your valuable property and handle your goods, furniture with extra care while moving and shifting. Car transport services by car carrier, Nigdi Pune. Our car transportation is safe as well as fast, so it comes with coverage in case repairs are needed due to damage. Your vehicle will be covered and the valuation will be included on your auto shipping quote. Best professionals packers and movers Nigdi Pune. Hiring the best moving company will provide you with best packers and movers who will help you get your home moved from one place to another. Proficient packers are trained to treat your belongings with care, using the correct materials. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter body truck Nigdi Pune. When you are going to shift your vehicle, you should prepare necessary documents for the same. From driving license to other documents such as insurance, pollution check documents etc. everything should be with you as you need it anytime. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Nigdi Pune. All the household items need to be organized into categories and placed together in the specific cartoons. For example, all the kitchen utensils and crockery items can be placed together to transport. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Nigdi Pune. Best quality moving services for local shifting within Nigdi at most economical cost. The transportation services help the factories in transporting their products safely at the appointed time and place. Relocation services Nigdi Pune. The real estate market has a tremendous effect on an organization's relocation program, influencing both the relocation budget and employees' willingness to move. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Nigdi Pune. Relocating your pet domestically involves paperwork, transportation, proper identification, and pickup and delivery. Above all, you want to make sure that your pet is comfortable during their trip. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Nigdi Pune. A warehouse may be defined as a place used for the storage or accumulation of goods. The function of storage can be carried out successfully with the help of warehouses used for storing the goods. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Nigdi Pune. Our projects are planned in detail to ensure the delivery of the equipment safely and with minimal cost. We specialize in the relocation and transportation of industrial equipment and machinery. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Nigdi Pune. This coverage protects your customers' property on their own vehicles. We consider motor truck cargo, transportation, and warehouse legal liability all to be desirable classes of business. Contact us on shifting@cargo.in www.cargo.in Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.